We are tracking some breaking news coming at this point in time. We are learning a firing incident has been reported near Royal Park in Greater Kailash area of Jammu during a wedding function attended by Farooq Abdullah and Deputy Chief Minister Surinder Chaudhary. As of now, we are learning Farooq Abdullah is safe while Surinder Chaudhary sustained minor injuries and received medical attention. The accused, identified as Kamal Singh Jamwal, has been overpowered and taken into custody by security personnel. I'm being joined by my colleague, senior colleague Madhav on the broadcast here. Madhav, we are learning some very disturbing news coming in. An event attended by Farooq Abdullah. There was a tragic firing incident there.
Absolutely. In fact, Ankit will get us more details. But before Ankit comes in, just look at those pictures. An individual comes charging towards, you can see clearly Farooq Abdullah as well as, in fact, Surinder Chaudhary, Deputy Chief Minister. An individual comes charging and he fires very close to these two. And there you see him being overpowered really by the security personnel over there who've actually managed to fling him to the ground. But something could have seriously gone wrong. In fact, Ankit is with us on ground. Ankit, I believe you have reached the Royal Park in the Greater Kailash area of Jammu. What is the situation there at the moment, Ankit? This appears to be an assassination attempt.
Madhav, right now I am outside. Yes, I am outside the Farooq Abdullah residence, and right now these are the exclusive visuals on the Times Now, where Jammu Kashmir Police has entered the Farooq Abdullah residence, and you can see Ajay Singh, who is the SP South. He has also reached over here. He has given a statement. Official statements has come out. Now the investigation will be started. The accused who has fired in the particular function, what we are learning is that he has been arrested. He is in the Gangyal police station, and you can see these are the exclusive visuals from outside the Farooq Abdullah residence, where the SP South has just reached. And what we are learning is that...
Who is Kamal Singh Jamwal? Who is the accused? What do we know about Kamal Singh Jamwal? Can you take us through the background of this person, Ankit? Who is this individual?
What we are learning is that this is a current incident, but we are trying to gather the information who is this particular person. But right now what we can say is that the accused person has been arrested by the Jammu and Kashmir Police. The Jammu and Kashmir Police top cop from the South Jammu has reached at the Farooq Abdullah residence, where he will try to talk to the Farooq Abdullah what actually happened in the function. Times Now has accessed the CCTV footage also of the particular function where Farooq Abdullah was in the function. But right now what I can say you is that the accused person has been arrested. What we are learning is that the Jammu Kashmir Police top cop from the Jammu and Kashmir Police, SP South, Mr. Ajay Singh, has reached at the Farooq Abdullah resident. The security has been tightened at the Farooq Abdullah residence. Also, Deputy CM Surinder Chaudhary was also present. What we are learning is that Deputy CM is totally safe. Farooq Abdullah is totally safe.
Okay,
but
I'm going to ask my colleagues to in fact play out. We have a video coming in of the accused person in this particular case, and he has spoken in custody. Let's quickly line up that video. I'm going to ask my colleagues to talk about what exactly has transpired. He's mentioning some historical incidents about 1971, etc. when he is in police custody. What exactly is the reason for him having taken this extreme step of trying to shoot the individuals there? The Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Chaudhary, we are told, is also injured. Let's quickly play out that video. I'm going to request my colleagues if you can quickly get it up on the 250 and play it out. And that is a video in the custody where this individual, Mr. Jamwal, is speaking. Let's listen in.
कमल सिंह जम्बाल।
कमल सिंह जम्बाल जी। फादर ने
सन ऑफ लेट श्री अजीत सिंह जम्बाल।
लेट श्री
अजीत AJIT।
अजीत सिंह जम्बाल। कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
मैं जम्मू पुरानी मंडी बताया है ना आपको।
हेलो सर, कुछ कह रहे हैं कमल सिंह जम्बाल। कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
पुरानी मंडी, पुराना शहर, पुराना गांव, जम्मू का सबसे पहली राजधानी।
एक मिनट।
1371 की वो भी लिख दीजिए।
नाम क्या आपका?
कमल सिंह जम्बार
कमल सिंह जम्बार।
जी।
फादर ने
सन ऑफ लेट श्री अजीत सिंह जम्बार।
लेट श्री
अजीत
अजीत
अजीत AJIT।
अजीत सिंह जम्बार। कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
मैं जम्मू पुरानी मंडी बताया ना आपको।
हेलो सर, ये कुछ कह रहे हैं कमल सिंह जम्बार। कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
पुरानी मंडी।
Of course, there you heard that accused, who have been identified as Kamal Singh Jamwal. He is seems to be making big claims, but this is the incident, very concerning incident, which is coming from Jammu and Kashmir. This was a private event where clearly on our screens we can see this accused running towards Farooq Abdullah and Deputy Chief Minister. And as my senior colleague Madhav was mentioning, this seems like an assassination attempt. Of course, the investigation is underway. The Jammu Kashmir police officials have confirmed that Farooq Abdullah is safe. His deputy is also saved. And the Jammu Kashmir police official have also ruled out terror angle. But really concerning breaking update which is coming in at this point in time. All that we know, this accused have been taken into custody and investigation is underway. My colleague Ankit is there on the spot, who is bringing us minute to minute update. Ankit, take us through the very latest. What is happening there?
देखिए, मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूं डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला के घर के बाहर। इस थोड़ी देर पहले डिप्टी सीएम सुरेंद्र चौधरी की तरफ से बयान दिया गया है। उन्होंने कहा है कि एक फंक्शन में हम मौजूद थे, उस दौरान यहां पर फायरिंग हुई, लेकिन इन सब के बीच आपको बता दें कि उन्होंने सुरक्षा को लेकर भी सवाल जो है वो यहां पर उठाए। देखिए एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीरें टाइम्स नाउ पर, और ये देखिए जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के जो ऑफिशियल्स है, जवान है, वो यहां पर पहुंचे हैं, और जो सिक्योरिटी है वो अब यहां पर बढ़ा दी गई है डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला के घर के बाहर। और तस्वीरों में आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से जो ऑफिशियल्स हैं जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के वो यहां पर पहुंच रहे हैं। आखिरकार किस तरीके से गोली चली, क्या हुआ इस पूरे फंक्शन में, ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पार्ट है। लेकिन जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के डिप्टी जो सीएम है उनकी तरफ से अब सवालिया निशान खड़ा किया गया है कि आखिरकार इस तरीके की चूक कैसे हुई, जबकि जो फॉर्मर जम्मू कश्मीर के मुख्यमंत्री थे जो फारूक अब्दुल्ला और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के प्रेसिडेंट है वो वहां पर मौजूद थे, और ऐसे में ये कैसे हुआ। लेकिन इन सब के बीच मैं आपको बता दूं कि जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस की तरफ से एक ऑफिशियल जो ट्वीट है वो यहां पर किया गया है।
Right, Ankit, do stay on with us. In fact, we have the very reaction of Deputy Chief Minister Surendra Chaudhary, who sustained minor injury. Let's listen into that reaction first.
ये नासिर साहब से है, नासिर साहब साथ थे, हम सब साथ थे। मैं अपना हमारे लीडर और कायदे सानी डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब, उनके साथ मैं और नासिर साहब, हम तीनों थे। तो आप नासिर साहब से पूछ लीजिए, वो पूरी आपको डिटेल में बताएंगे। नासिर साहब पीछे वाली गाड़ी में।
कोई जख्मी तो नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, बचाव हो गया है, लेकिन अब आप सिक्योरिटी को पुलिस को पूछिए कि इतना बड़ा लैप्स कैसे हुआ है। लेकिन नासिर साहब से आप पूरा बयान लीजिए।
शादी फंक्शन कहाँ था सर?
ये रॉयल पार्क में ग्रेटर कैलाश, और वहाँ कोई भी कहीं भी लोकल पुलिस का कोई भी नुमाइंदा नहीं था, कोई भी आदमी नहीं था, और एक बहुत बड़ा सिक्योरिटी लैब्स है जहाँ साबका चीफ मिनिस्टर और जम्मू कश्मीर का डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर और एडवाइजर वहाँ पे जिस फंक्शन में हो, और वहाँ पे अगर एक आदमी अंदर गन लेके जा रहा है तो वहाँ से आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि वहाँ सिक्योरिटी का बंदोबस्त कितना था। लेकिन फिर भी आप एडवाइजर साहब पीछे वाली गाड़ी है, आप
पूरी बात बताइए।
ये नासिर साहब से है, नासिर साहब साथ थे, हम सब साथ थे। मैं अपना हमारे लीडर और कायदे सानी डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब, उनके साथ मैं और नासिर साहब, हम तीनों थे। तो आप नासिर साहब से पूछ लीजिए, वो पूरी आपको डिटेल में बताएंगे। नासिर साहब पीछे वाली गाड़ी में।
कोई जख्मी तो नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, बचाव हो गया है, लेकिन अब आप सिक्योरिटी को पुलिस को पूछिए कि इतना बड़ा लैप्स कैसे हुआ है। लेकिन नासिर साहब से आप पूरा बयान लीजिए।
शादी फंक्शन कहाँ था सर?
ये रॉयल पार्क में ग्रेटर कैलाश, और वहाँ कोई भी कहीं भी लोकल पुलिस का कोई भी नुमाइंदा नहीं था, कोई भी आदमी नहीं था, और एक बहुत बड़ा सिक्योरिटी लैब्स है जहाँ साबका चीफ मिनिस्टर और जम्मू कश्मीर का डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर और एडवाइजर वहाँ पे जिस फंक्शन में हो, और वहाँ पे अगर एक आदमी अंदर गन लेके जा रहा है तो वहाँ से आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि वहाँ सिक्योरिटी का बंदोबस्त कितना था। लेकिन फिर भी आप एडवाइजर साहब पीछे वाली गाड़ी है, आप
पूरी बात बताइए।
ये नासिर साहब से है, नासिर साहब साथ थे, हम सब साथ थे।
I would like to go back to my senior colleague Madhav, who is joining us with all, continues to be with us with all those details here. Madhav, really stunning claims coming in from Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister, who was in fact present at that wedding function. He is saying that no police personnel was present there, and of course the security remains a major concern.
This is a big development, Shubhangi, any which way you look at it, and Ankit can come in with the details, but we have very rarely seen a situation where the Deputy Chief Minister, the second most senior politician in any state, comes out to complain about inadequate security, and that too in a sensitive state such as Jammu and Kashmir. If this is indeed true, what the Deputy Chief Minister is saying, and we have no reason to doubt it, given that there's been what appears to be a shocking assassination attempt on the Jammu and Kashmir former Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah. He was standing right next to Surinder Chaudhary, that can be seen in those pictures, and a man comes charging in a gun. Luckily there are security personnel who overpower him, otherwise there's no saying what he could have done, perhaps fired more shots. And if it is a fact that there is no police there because no checking was clearly happening. A man entered a public area with a weapon and was allowed to do so in a state such as Jammu and Kashmir. If this is the level of alacrity of our security forces, this is going to raise some very serious and disturbing questions about what is exactly happening to the law and order mechanism in Jammu and Kashmir. Because in past attempts and attacks as well, there have been questions about whether our forces are really alert. In this particular case, was there a demand for security given? And in any case, if there is a senior official such as a Deputy Chief Minister going, shouldn't it be basic protocol for the police to be present there? These are questions that emerge from what is being stated by the Deputy Chief Minister himself. He's saying ask the police and find out why exactly there was a lapse of security, why not a single police personnel was present at that particular spot, and that led to this particular incident taking place. So very serious and disturbing questions that of course are coming out of this. Who's the individual? What's his motivation? That's a separate part of the story. But the very fact that this kind of an attempt could happen on such senior officials who are of course protectees of the highest nature raises some very disturbing questions at this point of time. I'm going to hand it over to Ankit, who can take us through the ground situation at the moment. Ankit, where is the lapse happened? Any word coming in from the police as to why there was no security there?
Yes, absolutely, Madhav. What you are raising a question, it is a big question, because Deputy CM has also saying this particular thing, that why there was no Jammu Kashmir police or the security personnel while they know that the Farooq Abdullah is attending the function in the Royal Park. What we are learning is that there has been an official statement by the Jammu and Kashmir police. They are saying that one of the individual which has been arrested, he had come with the licensed gun, weapon with him, although he fired, but safely. Farooq Abdullah is totally safe, Deputy CM is totally safe, but Deputy CM Surinder Chaudhary has raised a question on the Jammu and Kashmir police, why there was no police man in the function when they know that the Deputy CM is coming, when they know that the National Conference President, and he is a formal CM of the Jammu and Kashmir. What we are learning is that questioning is still going on in the Gangyal police station.
The investigation continues to intensify, and we're getting some breaking news, a very important breaking news which is coming at this point in time. We are learning that Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister advisor has made a big charge. He says, and I quote, that there was an assassination attempt made on Farooq Abdullah. Listen into that reaction, and then I go back to my colleague Ankit, who is there just in front of the Royal Park where the tragic incident happened.
जूठे क्या हुआ?
एक आदमी ने कोशिश की जान लेने की डॉक्टर साहब की, तो उनका रिवॉल्वर से उन्होंने फायर करने की कोशिश की, अल्लाह ने बचाव किया।
कोई इसमें जख्मी तो
नहीं, अल्लाह ने बड़ा कर दिया।
पूरी जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार के डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर शादी पे मौजूद थे, डॉक्टर साहब शादी पे मौजूद थे, पुलिस के किस तरह के बंदोबस्त वहां थे? अचानक एक बंदा
उनको देखना पड़ेगा, बंदोबस्त क्या था क्या नहीं था उनको देखना पड़ेगा। इट इज टू अर्ली टू कमेंट।
सर, उस शख्स को हिरासत में ले लिया?
अभी तो लिया।
और उस शख्स ने ये भी क्लेम किया कि मैं पिछले 20 साल से इस फिराक में था।
अभी तो शुरुआत है, तहकीकात पूरी पता चल जाएगी क्या था, फिराक में थे, उस मौके पे हुआ क्या हुआ, ये सब अभी ताबे है इन्वेस्टिगेशन की।
क्या लगता है सर?
डिटेल पूरी पता चल जाएगी तो पता चलेगा।
सर सिक्योरिटी लैब से सर क्या लगता है आपको?
अभी इतना जल्दी सब कुछ कंक्लूजन पे जाना कोई जायज बात नहीं। अल्लाह का करम हो गया, ये बड़ी बात है। आप लोगों की दुआएं थी, ऊपर वाले ने करम किया तो सब बचाव हो गया। किसी को कोई
जूते क्या हुआ?
My colleague Ankit continues to stay on with us. Ankit, there's some very serious question here. This was a wedding function where top Jammu and Kashmir ministers were there. There was, of course, Farooq Abdullah, Deputy Chief Minister, and top police officials. Still, there was so much of security lapses. Of course, the Chief Minister advisor himself is saying that there was an assassination attempt on Farooq, and there we also heard the Deputy Chief Minister himself saying that this was a security lapse. No police personnel was present at such a high-end function where all the top Jammu and Kashmir ministers and police officials were present. What is the situation on ground, and what actually are the police personnel investigating at this point in time?
Yes, absolutely. Jammu Kashmir police top officials has reached on the ground. SP South is on the ground. DSP is on the ground. Jammu Kashmir top officials investigation is undergoing. You can see I am outside the Farooq Abdullah residence. Right now I am Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, Farooq. He is the provisional president, Mr. इस वक्त जो प्रोविजनल प्रेसिडेंट है रतनलाल गुफ्ता, वो इस वक्त डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला के घर के बाहर निकले हैं, लेकिन मीडिया से बात नहीं की। लेकिन तस्वीरों में मैं आपको एक बार फिर दिखाना चाहूँगा। ये देखिए, जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के जो जवान हैं वो डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला के घर के बाहर खड़े हैं। वहीं पूरी तरीके से पूरे इलाके को सीज किया गया है। SP साउथ जो हैं वो इस वक्त डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला के घर के अंदर मौजूद हैं। जो टॉप ऑफिशल्स हैं जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के, वो भी घर के अंदर मौजूद हैं। लेकिन सबसे बड़ा सवाल यही कि जो डिप्टी सीएम कह रहे हैं कि इस तरीके की लैप्स किस तरीके से हुआ। जब डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला फंक्शन में जा रहे थे, डिप्टी सीएम फंक्शन में जा रहे थे, और नासिर असलम वानी जो कि सीएम के एडवाइजर हैं, वो खुद बयान दे रहे हैं कि इस वक्त डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला बिल्कुल तरीके से सेफ है। लेकिन वो भी सवाल खड़े करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं कि सबसे बड़े पॉलिटिशियन जम्मू कश्मीर की राजनीति की अगर बात की जाए तो सबसे बड़े पॉलिटिशियन जो है डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला माने जाते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं, सेंटर में मंत्री रहे हैं, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के अध्यक्ष हैं, और इस तरीके से वो फंक्शन अटेंड करते हैं और वहां पर गोली चल जाती है। ये कहीं ना कहीं जो सुरक्षा पे सवाल है वो भी यहाँ पर खड़े करते हुए नजर आ रहा है।
Right, Ankit, do stay on with us. We have some breaking news coming in. This is as per top sources which are telling Times Now that the accused was under the influence when he attempted to fire. He was overpowered by 2 personal security officers. I'm being joined by my colleague Bhavtosh to share more details with us. Bhavtosh, these are stunning details which is coming is, of course, according to top sources, we are learning that the accused was under influence. Take us through more details.
Yes, in fact, the information that we have gathered and also the information that has been shared by Ankit is that the accused in this case, who has now been under the custody of the police, he was under the influence. His questioning is presently going on. And the information that we can tell our viewers is that under the influence, he tried to, in fact, fire a shot, and he was immediately overpowered by the 2 personal security officers who were accompanying the former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, he is someone who is being provided with Z+ security cover. His security cover is one of the maximum that is provided to any VVIP in the country. As you can see from the CCTV footage, as soon as he, in fact, came very close to the Farooq Abdullah, he was, in fact, immediately overpowered. There are reports that the shots have been fired, but what we have gathered from speaking to sources is that he was immediately overpowered as soon as he came very close to Farooq Abdullah and also to the Deputy Chief Minister. Was immediately taken into the custody. We also put out a video of him being questioned. He gave the name of his father and also to the place where he belongs to, and also mentioned something about 1971. Now, what prompted him to do this incident and what was the reason behind this is something that will be come
Right,
out in
so
open.
stunning details they're coming in. Of course, the DCP is there on ground and SP South is also present at Farooq Abdullah. But according to top sources, we have been informed that the accused was under the influence when he attempted to fire at Farooq Abdullah, and then later he was overpowered by the personal security officers. Thank you so much, Bhavtosh and Ankit, for joining us with all those details here. Of course, a very concerning update coming in. There was alleged assassination attempt made on Farooq Abdullah. With that, we slip into a short break here. More news and updates on the other side.